5. Okay, so we're learning more major scales, triads, and inversions. Page 135. Okay, the example on the bottom is F major. Okay, how many flats on F major? One flat, which is flat B flat, flat B. Okay, so let's just get to know the quality of each chord. Okay, so we have F major, the tonic triad. Okay, tell me is it minor chord or major chord?
Major.
Major, okay, and then we have second chord, we have minor. Okay, how to define if it's minor or major?
Minor third, the major third is minor, major third, the minor third is major.
Okay, yes. So if you want to define its major chord, we define on the bottom interval of it. So we have major interval of major third. So we get to have major tonic. We have G and B flat, which is interval of minor third. So we have minor third. Okay, and then is it minor or major?
Minor.
The third chord. Minor. Okay, and then fourth chord?
Major.
Major, and we also call it subdominant. Okay. The dominant chord, is it major or minor?
Major.
Okay.
Minor.
Minor. Diminished. How to define diminished chord?
Two minors.
Two minors. We have two minors on the bottom, and we have another minor third on the top. Okay, and then we go back to tonic. Okay, everybody unplug your headphones. Let's play the F major triads from F to high F. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. B5. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, B5. Go back. Good. Okay, now let's try left hand. So we use the same fingering, and let's start from this register. Good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want you to find your partner and then do the transposition to D flat major. This is a little hard, so we need a partner. Okay, go find your partner. You two can become partners. Okay, and go work with work on your own. Work with Julia. Okay, D flat major. Okay. And remind your partners how many flats do we have in D flat? Yes. We have 5 flat, okay? This is a little hard, so the person sits on the right side, play right hand. The person sits on the left side, play left hand. Matthew, you're on your own, play both hands. Okay, let's run through the D flat. Let's just run through. So we have D flat, the tonic, which would be, we have F natural and A flat, D flat. Second chord, all flat, right? And third chord, we have F, A flat, and C, and then all black keys on the fourth chord, subdominant chord. And then dominant chord, we have natural C, and then sixth chord, minor third, okay? And the seventh chord, we have two minor to be on the diminished third. It's a little harder, right? Okay, let's play both hands together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many flats on D flat? 5. Okay, what about, we don't have to play the transposition in B major, but how many sharps in B major? 5. So we have 5 sharps, okay? And get to practice the B major transposition when you're at home, okay? This is a little hard. Okay, now turn to page 136. Okay, come to your own seats. Alright, now we're talking about the inversions. Okay, I want people to take a guess. If we have a triad, how many inversions we have? 2. Okay, Matthew, you want to talk to the class why there are 2 inversions?
Because you only can make the bass note 3 different notes. So you have to
Okay, so we consider this as the root position, correct? And if we move the root note to an octave higher, to higher C. So move to here, we get the first inversion, right? Okay, now tell me, what would the second inversion look like? Julia?
You move the E to the top.
Yes. Okay, this is the first inversion, and we move the root of the first inversion, which is E, to an octave higher. That we get the second inversion.
Would it still be a second inversion if it's just the G as a bass note? Like if, let's say it was like C was above E on that second inversion, would that still be a second inversion or no?
Yes.
You mean the
G,
G
if that was
on the
GC,
bottom?
if that was GCE instead of GEC, or GEC, sorry.
Yeah.
GEC.
Yeah.
Yes, if we have G, and you mean like E and G on the top, right? Are you talking about this?
Basically saying like if the root note, if the bass note is a G,
Yes,
the rest of the notes
yes.
doesn't matter where.
Yes. So whenever the fifth note becomes the root, we get the second inversion, no matter what's the order on top 2 notes. Understand? Okay. Yes. So we have the inversion. Let's take the C major as the example. Okay. Now play the first inversion of C major tonic. So which we get. Okay, and then we have the C on the bottom move to the higher octave. Okay, now everybody play the first chord, but with first inversion. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what about the second chord? We just move. Just like when we time to practice on this first inversion. Okay, let's run through the example 531. Okay, before we play, I want to mention there's a difference on both hands fingering. Okay, because when we move to the first inversion, the E and G become closer. That's why we use 1, 2, 5. Okay, but on left hand it's different. Because the left hand, E and G are closer, so which we use 5, 3, 1. Is it okay? 5, 3, 1. Okay, let's run through the right hand first. Okay, let's do right hand first. Oliver, you have questions?
Nope.
Okay, let's do the right hand first inversion. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, try left hand. Okay, what's the fingering on left hand?
1, 3, 5.
1, 3, 5. Okay, try. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay. Now, on the triads, we have 2 inversions. Okay, now everybody tells me if we have a 7 chord, how many inversions do we have?
3.
3, yes, correct, because we have 4 notes, and except for the root position, we have other 3 inversions, okay? Now, let's take a look on the 532. Okay, this is harder because we have to play the root position and move to first position, and then we have to move to D. Okay, now, I want everybody take a look on the screen, okay? So, for example, if we have the root position, in order to easily find the first inversion, I want you to use the left hand, use your left hand, and then to find the higher C first. So, and you lift up the bass, you find the first position, okay? And then second chord, use your left hand to find the higher octave of the D. Okay? So we have the third chord, the first inversion of the third chord. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to practice this. Use your left hand, okay? Your left hand is useful. inversion. Okay, let's play the 532. Just your right hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. Very good. Let's try left hand. Okay, what's the fingering? On the first inversion, on right hand. 5, 3, 1. So always use 1, 3, 5. No matter it's root position or first inversion. Okay, let's try left hand. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. Okay, now before we transpose to F major and G major, there is a little bit difficult challenge for you. Okay, try to play this one 532 both hands because we have different fingerings. I'll give you 30 seconds to practice. Okay? Both hands. Okay. I want to mention there are a couple of students. When they transfer to first inversion, they will play like this. But I want to tell you the interval changed to 6 when we have first inversion. Okay, so just move to the high C. That's why we need the left hand to help if we just have one hand. Okay, let's just run through both hands very slowly. And this is not a requirement, but we can just try to challenge yourself. Okay? Both hands, C major, root position, and then first inversion. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That was really good. That was really good. Okay, now assignment for right side right now. Give you 1 minute. to transpose to F major. And you only have to do one hand, not both hands. The assignment for left side, you're gonna transpose to G major. Okay? G major transposition, the right side F major transposition. Okay? Same example. Okay, right side, are you ready for the F major? Let's try F major. You can decide which hand you want to use, okay? So the fingering would be, if right hand, it would be 1, 3, 5 on root position and 1, 2, 5 on the first inversion, right? Okay, let's try F major. 1, 2, 3, go. 2. B natural. 2. Oh, sorry, B flat. So we have B5. So on the third chord we have. Good. Okay, plug your headphones and practice F major. Okay, let's hear the left side. G major. Okay, so we have 1 sharp, which is F sharp. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. F sharp. F sharp. F sharp. Okay, any questions before we move on to second inversion? Any questions before we move on to second inversion? Okay, now let's take a look on the bottom. We have second inversion. Okay, and as we discussed, second inversion, we have the root of the first inversion, which is E, and we move an octave higher. So it would be, the E would be the top. It would be the highest note, okay? So, take a look on the screen. This is the first inversion, and we move the root, which is the third note. We move to high E, okay? Okay, there's another way. Okay, so we use, when we do the first inversion, I was talking about, think about the root position and move your C. Use your left hand to move the C. Okay, the second inversion, same. You can think in this way. Create a root. Use your left hand to find an octave lower of your fifth note. Do you know what I'm saying? Yes. So we get the second, fourth. Yes. Down fourth. Use your left hand and then find an octave lower of the highest note, which is lower G, and we get the second inversion. Okay? Okay, 30 minutes practice. Use your left hand.
What fingering would you use for your left hand?
Left hand, you mean the second inversion?
Yeah.
Because C and E are closer. That's why we use 1, 2. Right? We can use 1, 3, 5. I mean, of course we can, but it's just not comfortable. 1, 2, 5 is more comfortable. Okay? Okay, 30 seconds practice. Use your left hand to find the second position. Very good. Yeah. Yes, okay, very good. Let me explain one more time. So, to find the second inversion of each chord, you can also think on tonic. From tonic, use your left hand to find the lower G, which is the highest note, and we move an octave lower, okay? So we get the second inversion of the chord, okay? Clear? In the first inversion, we find an octave higher of the root to higher octave. So we get the first inversion. Okay, now let's play the right hand second inversion of C major. Fingering, what's the fingering on right hand? 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's play C major second inversion together. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, try left hand. So what's the fingering? What's the best fingering on left hand?
1, 2,
5 to 1. Good. Okay, let's try second inversion. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now since second inversion is more like further from the root position, so find your partner. We're doing transposition. Okay, find your partner. Yes. Okay, now it's time for you to choose. You wanna transpose to F major or G major? You wanna do F major? Okay, we all do F major transposition, second inversion. Okay? Okay, 1 minute practice. F major, second inversion. question on transposition to F major? I think the most difficult chord in F major in each chord would be the 7th chord. Okay, I want everybody to tell me what are the notes on 7th chord.
1, 3, 5, 7.
7 chord on the
What are the-
scale.
No. 7th chord of the scale.
The notes of the 7.
Okay, F major.
It
Okay,
should be E, G, B.
E, G, B. That's the root position. Okay. Okay, we have E, G, B.
B flat.
B flat. Yes, correct. Okay, on the 2nd version, tell me the notes order.
B flat in the bass.
B flat and E and G. Don't play. It's not D, it's E. Okay? Okay, this should be the hardest one. Okay, everybody ready? Person sits on the left side, play left hand, sits on the right side, play right hand. And we have different fingerings. What's the fingerings on left hand? 2nd inversion. 5 to 1. What about right hand? 1, 3, 5. Okay, good. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. 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 3, go. 2, 3. Okay, did you play the root position?
No, sir.
It's the 2nd inversion? Okay, very good. Let's just talk about the interval. On the 1st inversion, okay, everybody tells me what's the interval between the middle and the top? 4. And what's the interval between the middle and the bottom? 3rd. Okay, how about in the 2nd inversion? What's the interval between the middle and top? 3rd. What's the interval between the middle and the bottom? 4th. So they're switching. Okay? Okay, good. Now, turn to page 137. We're gonna have all positions.
Should we go back to our seat?
Yes, go back to C and go back to C major. Go back to your C and go back to C major. Okay? Okay, go back to C major. Okay, so it's getting harder and harder. On 534, we have all 3 inversions. So it's gonna sound like 2, 2nd inversion, and then root position, but higher, and then going back. 2nd inversion, 1st inversion. Okay, now I want everybody to play this with me. Let's do right hand first. Okay, there's only one inversion on right hand that we use 1, 2, 5. Okay, tell me which inversion. We only use 1, 2, 5. First inversion, yes. Otherwise, we use 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's play 534. Right hand only. Let's do a little slower. 1, 2, 3, go. Root position, and then 1st, 2nd, and then go back. 2, 4. Okay, play on your own. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then left hand is the same, but there is only one inversion we use 1, 2, 5. Which inversion on left hand? Second, we use 1, 2, 5. Otherwise, we use 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's try left hand. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 5, 3, 1. 5, 2, 1. 5, 3, 1. Okay, now challenge yourself. Play both hands. to use your pencil and write down which is first inversion, which is second inversion, to remind you, okay? Also circle the fingers that you are gonna use 1, 2, 5 instead of 1 through 5, just to remind you. So how many first inversion chord we have? 2. How many second inversions chord? 2. How many root position? 3.
3 open 3. Ah.
Yes, we have 3 root position. Okay, that's tricky. Okay, now let's take a look on the bottom. We're learning the Roman numerals. It's getting harder. Okay. Let's just take a look. Okay, take a look on the board. Everybody can see. Okay, we have the first chord, right? And that's how we learn. We put the first chord. On the first inversion, we have the first chord also, as well. But what's the best number for the first inversion?
6 is the thirds implied.
Okay, Matthew, why is there a 6? Why is there a 6? I know it's on the textbook.
Well,
Why?
because there's a 6 between the bass note and the root note.
Exactly. Okay, the interval between the bottom and the top, we have 6. Interval of 6. That's why we put 6. And there is another 3, which usually it's omitted. We don't have to write the 3, and we get to know it's the first inversion. The 3 means the interval between the middle and the bottom. It's the interval of third. And it's the interval of 6 between the bottom and the top. Okay, now let's move on to the first inversion, second inversion. Okay, we have the first chord. Still, what's the best Roman numerals? 6 and 4, because it's the same interval between the bottom and top. So we have 6. This time, we have to put 1, 6, 4. Or you get too confused if we also omit this, you don't know which is which inversion you're playing. Clear? We don't have to write the 6, 3, but we have to write 1, 6, 4. Okay? And the 4 means the interval between the middle and the bottom. Okay? Okay. Now, let's take a look on 138. Next page. Okay, so we're playing left hand only on this page. Okay, I want you to use your pencil and write down, no matter what happened, the 5th finger always on the root of each inversion. Okay, always use 5 on each root of the inversion. Okay, keep in mind, don't use 4, don't use 3. Circle the 5 on each inversion. Okay. Okay, now I am gonna show you how to transfer to different inversions. I have better tips for you. Okay, so we have on this on the book we have correct. What's the fingering we're using? 5, 3, 1. Okay. Okay, now take a look on the string. We have 5, 3, 1, and then broad chord. Okay? In order to move to the first inversion, I want you to hold the top, which is G, and move your finger to E, which you usually use 3. So your third finger becomes 5. Your third finger becomes 5 when you're doing second inversion. And hold your top, and your third finger becomes 5. And then we're going back. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to use this. Hold your thumb, and third finger becomes 5 when you're doing different inversions. Hold your thumb, and third finger becomes 5. Okay, 2 steps when you're doing inversions. Very good. Okay, before we leave, let's just play the first chord on the first line, okay? Using my suggestions. So hold your thumb, and your third becomes which finger? Fifth. Okay, good. Now let's play from the bottom. C. 1, 2, 3. Hold your thumb. Okay, good. We'll keep working on this tomorrow. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.